In this video, we're going to check out the new Novation Bass Station 2's 4.14 firmware. We're going to check out AFX Mode, which is a collaboration by Aphex Twin, or Richard D. James, and Novation. AFX Mode sets 25 keys to a different sound or preset. It's called an overlay, and you can create and save 8 different overlays. So just remember to access this. All you have to do is hold Function, and then find Arp and Swing. Press that 2 times. You're going to see an O there, and you're going to see a number. To change the numbers, you just press these arrows. We're going to be going with number 2. In this first improvised example, we're just going to experiment by using the built-in arpeggiator. And I might be turning on a little bit of Shimmer Reverb from my Eventide H9 in this demo. So that was using the Bass Station 2 standalone, but if you want more control, you can plug in any sequencer like a circuit, an EMX, or in this case, a Deluge. So I just want to show you how fast this thing can change sounds. So I have this set. We're looking at 64th notes here. And I'm controlling MIDI track 4, which is set up on the Bass Station. So check out how fast it can change these presets. I think I just crashed the Bass Station, but I just reset it. I'm just going to do a quick little sequence with this now. So in this little demo, I'm just going to use a little bit of my Chaos Pad 3 Plus. I'm going to use a little bit of MX1, and I'm just going to do this to show how crazy things can get if you add external effects to this.